Hello dear friends, this is Rohit from ASTRO-DOWSING channel. Today we are going to discuss about healing-hospital.com and a segment which is called Tune Yourself. This segment is very useful for the singers and musicians. Normally I told a lot about the difference between 432 Hz and 442 Hz as well. 432 Hz is a healing frequency also, and normally in the music fraternity we call it as A4 frequency, A4 tone. But our main intention is while singing or while practicing your respective instruments, if you can get healing result also by using the correct frequency, it will be like a great experience for any of us. Because if you practice correctly, then hardly there are any chance to sing or to play any instrument in detune. So tuning yourself, tuning ourselves, it is a very important work and method. I strongly believe one thing, that he is a correct musician, he is a correct singer who can detect his skill at the time of singing. Keeping everything in our mind, in Tune Yourself segment, we introduced Tanpura segment, chord segment and ARP segment, normally we know or popularly known as arpeggiator segment. We tried to accommodate many respective scale and tone into it so that you can find your compatible tone, compatible note, compatible chord, and you can practice yourself. It is a time when people love to sing along with microphone or -1 track, but I do feel that if you sing in a correct note, tone or chord, it will keep improving your singing skill and skill as a musician. So my humble request to my friends that please you try once, sing along with it. Believe me, it is a miracle frequencies. Believe me, it is a combination of all possible beneficial frequencies which will be extremely helpful for you. Thank you, my dear friends.